Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without pressing subscribe button and the notification, so you're notified next time I drop the video. So please like. Sorry Data updated you today that Dylan Solomon says the team have put their disappointing recently results behind them and are only looking forward to improving in the remaining games of this season. Solomon, the last two games didn't go our way, but we have to stay focused on the games coming up. And we are just looking forward to taking on TS Galaxy in our home game in Polokwane, and hopefully we can go there and get the 3 point, Solomon said. So if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without the subscribe button and the notification, so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.